In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop with WhatsApp Web, a handy tool that lets you manage your messages directly from your computer. This can be particularly useful for multitasking while you work, or if you just prefer typing on a larger keyboard. Let's get started by opening up a web browser on your desktop or laptop computer. You'll need to type in the address bar web.whatsapp.com. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to the WhatsApp web page where you'll see a QR code front and center on your screen. Next, let's switch over to your phone for a moment. Open the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Once you're in the app, navigate to the settings menu. Depending on your phone, this might be located as a little cogwheel icon, usually found in the upper right or lower side of your screen. From there, select linked devices. Now tap on link a device. This action will activate your phone's camera in a QR scanning mode. Now it's really just a matter of pointing your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Hold steady for a second and your phone will automatically scan the code. You should see the WhatsApp interface appear on your computer almost instantly, displaying your chats. And there you go, easy as that. Your WhatsApp is now mirrored onto your computer and all your existing conversations are seamlessly transferred over. From here, you can do pretty much everything you would normally do on your phone. You can send and receive messages just like you normally would, whether you're chatting with a single contact or in group chats. Moreover, you can share files, photos and videos with your contacts directly from your computer. To do this, just click the paperclip icon to attach files, or use drag and drop if you prefer. This method can be quicker and easier, especially if you're dealing with large files or working from documents saved on your PC. For those of you who love adding a bit of flair to your messages, all your favourite emojis, GIFs and stickers are integrated here too. Just click on the smiley face icon to access them and start expressing yourself in typical WhatsApp style. Finally, you can even view status updates of your contacts just like you would on your phone. They show up on the left sidebar and you can click through them to see what's new with your friends and family. That wraps it up for today. Using WhatsApp Web is a powerful way to stay connected without constantly switching between devices. Thanks for joining me and I hope you found this guide helpful. Have fun chatting away on the big screen.